Bonjour les amis, c'est moi, Madame C, avec une nouvelle leçon de français. Hello friends, it's Madame C and I'm back with a new French lesson. Welcome to French Circle Time with Madame C. Bienvenue, welcome. Avant de commencer, nous allons chanter the welcome song. Before we begin, we've got to start our day correctly with the welcome song. Chantez avec moi. 1, 2, 3. Bonjour les amis, bonjour. Bonjour les amis, bonjour. Bonjour les amis, bonjour les amis, bonjour les amis, bonjour. Bonne journée à tous et à toutes. Welcome everyone, bonne journée. Les amis, nous avons un message. We have a message, a message. Le message du jour. Lisez, lisez, read with me, read with me. Ça dit, bonjour les amis. Qu'est-ce que cela veut dire? Hello friends. Vous êtes spécial. Je t'aime. Whoever wrote this note thinks that vous êtes spécial. That means you are special. Je t'aime. Je t'aime means I love you. Je t'aime. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 10 janvier 2022. Bienvenue les amis, c'est un nouvel an. Les amis, it's a new year. L'année passée, last year, it was 2021. But look at this. C'est 2022. Un nouvel an. Bonne année. Avez-vous jamais attrapé un flocon de neige sur la langue? That means, have you ever trapped or caught a snowflake on your tongue? La langue. Do you see this picture here? Voici la langue. Et sur la langue, c'est un flocon de neige. Do you see the snowflake? Have you ever done that before? It is so fun when it happens, especially when it's a fluffy snowflake. Love, Madame C. Qui a écrit ce message? Who wrote this note? You guessed it, Madame C. And how do you know? Because I think that vous êtes spécial. Et je t'aime. I love you. I think that you're special and I love you so much. Et voici mon cœur. Do you see the heart? Can you make one with me? 1, 2, 3, smash it. Spy. I'm spying on you. Je vous aime. I love you so much. Merci les amis. Yay! Les couleurs de l'arc-en-ciel. Les amis, we've been working so hard to know our French colors, and this is a song that we should practice. It's called the French Rainbow Song. It's also in English, and here it is en français. First of all, we need to make an arc-en-ciel. I like to go like this. I like to catch it, attraper. Did you catch yours? And I like to play a fun game. I like to pretend that I could smell it. What does your arc-en-ciel smell like? Mine smells like les bonbons. Des bonbons, that means candies. What does yours smell like? In the past, some of my kindergarten friends have said theirs smells like cotton candy, like chocolate chips. What does yours smell like? Chantez avec moi. Hold on like this. 1, 2, 3. Rouge et jaune et rose et vert, violet, orange et bleu. Je connais les couleurs, toutes les couleurs, celles de l'arc-en-ciel. Do you see what I did with my hands? I made this shape, arc-en-ciel. That means an arc in the sky, arc-en-ciel. That's rainbow en français. Bravo les amis! How many colors did you remember? Alors, voici notre question du jour. Here's our question of the day. Quelles sont les couleurs de l'arc-en-ciel? What are the colors in the arc-en-ciel? Rainbow, arc-en-ciel. Pour commencer, on a Rouge, ça c'est rouge. On a orange, ça c'est orange. On a jaune, bravo. Voici les premières trois. De plus, on a vert, on a bleu, on a indigo. Do you know that color, indigo? It's a bleu foncé. It's like a deep, dark blue color, almost purplish, bluish, purplish. So that's indigo. Et finalement, on a violet. Violet. Les amis, did you know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 couleurs dans l'arc-en-ciel. There are seven colors in the rainbow. Les connaissez-vous? Do you know them? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, indigo, et violet. And do you know what this shape is? C'est un nuage. Le nuage, that means a cloud. Bravo les amis, vous connaissez bien les 7 couleurs de l'arc-en-ciel. Good job! Excellent. Voici notre question de maths. And I'm sorry, I'm covering one of our friends, as you could see. But we can see la tête, le bec, that means the beak. La tête is the head. Et les yeux, we can see them popping out there. Combien de hiboux y a-t-il en tout? Combien means how many. Hibou, hibou means owls. So, how many do you count? Allez, comptez les amis. Excellent. I bet you are using your pointer power to make sure that you are keeping on track. You're using your good eagle eye so you can focus on the numbers. Good job. Alors, les amis, comptez avec moi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Il y a 8 hiboux. Bravo. Have you noticed how they are grouped? A group means when a bunch of objects are gathered together. That's a group. Have you noticed that à ce côté, on that side, il y a 1, 2, 3, 4. Et à ce côté, on that side, il y a 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you show me that with your fingers? Montrez-moi. Montrez-moi les poignes. Montrez-moi. So, à ce côté, il y a 1, 2, 3, 4. Bonjour. À ce côté, il y a 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there en tout? Combien y a-t-il en tout? How many do we have all together? If we have 4 et 4. Let's check it out. Ta-da! Il y a 4 et 4. Et dans le tout, il y a 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 et 4. Smash it together. Font 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bravo les amis. Excellent. Les amis, cette semaine, la lettre de la semaine est la lettre B. Our letter of the week est la lettre B. B, B, B. B, B, B. That's the sound it makes. It goes B, B, B. And it's called la lettre B. And it's the same thing in English, B in English, B en français. They both make the B, B sound. B comme ballon. I have a cool song that I'd like you to sing with me. La lettre B, la lettre B, 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 B. B pour ballon, B pour ballon, B, B, B. B, 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 B pour ballon. Would you like to air trace with your finger, ton droit. Air trace, la lettre B. This is how we make it. We start at the tippy tip top. Show me your point to power. Because we're making the uppercase B, we start at the tippy tip top. Then we go down, lift. Then we go back to the top, make a bumpity bump. Do you see the two bumpity bumps? Try again. Tippy tip top, go down, lift, go bumpity bump, b, B. B pour ballon, B pour bébé, B pour balle. Bravo, les amis. And let's try the lowercase. Lowercase b, we go up to the tippy tip top. Come on, show me your pointer power. Tippy tip top, go down, lift. Then we're going to go au milieu, in the middle. Au milieu, in the middle, and one little bump right there. It's kind of like a belly, a little belly bump. Let's try it again. Tippy tip top, go down, lift, in the middle, au milieu, and a bump. Bravo, les amis. Vous connaissez bien la lettre B. B, B, B. Excellent. Notre mot du jour. So, les amis, we are working on our sight words. Nos mots fréquents en français. Sight words are really interesting, and they're going to help you be a good reader en français. Some of the sight words we can use are eagle eye and our pointer power and our fishy lips. Our fishy lips are when we put our lips together and sound out the letters. We could sound out the word, right? And some of them we have to memorize because they don't quite follow the rules. I'll give you an example, like this one. You know la lettre U. We practice that. La lettre U, when it's by itself, it makes the U sound. U, U. Can you say that? U, U. Like P-U, P-U, U, U, U. And la lettre N, when it's by itself, it makes the sound. Comme ne, But when we smash them together, when we put U and N ensemble, can you try that? U, show me your U. N. So smash it together. It actually sounds like this. Un, comme le nombre un. Show me your nombre un. Les amis, our time in French Circle Time is up. Vous connaissez bien les couleurs de l'arc-en-ciel. We covered the colors of the rainbow. Vous connaissez bien comment compter en français. We counted together en français. We counted up to le nombre 8. We learned that cat et cat font 8. Excellent. We also learned about la lettre B. We learned that la lettre B makes the b sound. And we also covered our mot du jour, which is le mot un. We learned that U and N, when we smash it together, it produces a new sound. Un, comme le nombre un. Vous connaissez bien le nombre un. Avant de partir, les amis, I want to wish you an excellent day. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. N'oubliez pas de pratiquer votre français. Practice what you learned. Look at your environment. Quelles sont les couleurs que vous connaissez bien? Pratiquez à écrire la lettre B. You can practice writing la lettre B. You can also continue practicing à compter en français. Now, let's sing the goodbye song. It kind of sounds like the welcome song. Un, deux, trois. Au revoir, les amis. Au revoir. Au revoir, les amis. Au revoir. Au revoir, les amis. Au revoir, les amis. Au revoir, les amis. Au revoir. À demain, les amis. See you tomorrow. À demain. I love you.